Hey, Samantha. How you doing today?
Hey, Brian.
Doesn't sound so good. What can I get you? The usual?
Yeah, make it a double, please.
Okay. Tell me what happened.
So I don't know if I've told you, but I was thinking about going solar, and I had no idea how difficult and not fun it could be.
Really? How so? I was thinking of going solar.
It's worse than buying a car. So this all started a few weeks ago, and I thought the first company, their price was too high. So I called somebody else, and this guy was so pushy. I swear he had been like a used car salesman or sold timeshares, and I was being hassled in my own home with a high pressure sale, and I couldn't get him out the door.
I hate high pressure sales so much.
But to make matters worse, I called a third company, and they sent over a 17-year-old kid. And he didn't know what he was talking about, and I felt so bad for him, but I wasn't about to give him a bunch of money for an investment like this.
17, just wow.
Yeah, and all I really want to do is just something good for the environment and save some money. The utility companies are charging so much and their rates keep going up, and I feel like I've wasted all this time and I've accomplished nothing. It's very frustrating.
I had no idea it was that bad. That one's on my house.
Thank you, Brian. I really appreciate it.
You got it.
Hey, I normally don't eavesdrop, but that discussion y'all were just having like really hit home with me because I was like going through the exact same thing recently. My name's Jackson.
Oh, hey, my name's Samantha. Nice to
Well,
meet you,
hi
Jackson.
Samantha, nice to meet you. So, as I was saying, I was at a dead's end. I really wanted solar. I was going through all of the same scenarios that you were discussing here with Brian, and I just came to where I wasn't even going to do it anymore. And one of my colleagues says, we started talking about solar, and he was like, have you talked to Joe? And I was like, well, who's Joe? And he goes, well, Joe does solar. And I was like, Joe does solar what? And he goes, JoeDoesSolar.com, check him out. I guarantee you'll get some good results. So that's what I did.
Oh, well, please tell me more about JoeDoesSolar.com because I think I can really use this help.
The only thing I can tell you is I went on his website. It was amazing. A lot of my answers that I couldn't get answered, speaking with some other people, were already there for me. I actually set up an appointment with them. We sat down, and the couple things that I can tell you, the reason I signed, or at least had Joe help me with my solar project, was he's a straight shooter. He is very educated with the product. He works with several different companies to try to help you find the best solution possible for whatever you have going on. And when I looked him up at the first time, I found out he was a retired fraud examiner, which I felt really good, for that honesty and integrity piece. And then he had 100 5-star reviews on one of the companies that he actually works with. So I signed with them. We're really happy.
Well, thank you. I'm so glad I met you, Jackson.
Perfect timing.
Brian, please.
Awesome.
Next one's on me.
I'll take a double.